Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. Now, you don't get paid for just searching Google, but you can get paid for doing searches on Google and understanding what Google is telling you and then creating the content that other people are searching for, solve their problem, therefore making money with Google searches. Now, when you add the power of the training and the free SEO tool that I'm going to show you here in this video, you have what is the foundation of your $100 a day system. Now, the $100 a day system is the system I talk about building. It's the system that I am building, and I'm doing the case study just like in this video, and the video is up here in the right hand corner, also a link in the description. If you haven't been here to the channel before, you can catch up on exactly where I am in the process, and you can get a really good idea of exactly what I'm talking about. And then you're ready to really dive into this idea, this concept of using Google search to make money. So Google gives you all this information just like they give everyone all the information that does a Google search. But there's this thing called Google Trends, and you can see here the year in search from 2021. You can see what was trending in 2021. Of course, you can drop down here and change this from United States to global or to one of the other countries or regions that they have data for. And you can simply see the searches. The searches: NBA, DMX, Gabby, Petito, Kyle Rittenhouse. Moving on into news, people, actors, aesthetics, athletes, celebrities searched together, games. But really the power and where the money comes from, really where you really start realizing how to make money with search. And of course, like I said, the free tool and the training that I'm going to show you, that I'm going to give you in this video, is really where the money starts to come together. Again, going back to that $100 a day system, this concept of using Google search to find what people are looking for, to help people solve their problems. Of course, that requires you to create content, which does take a little bit of work, but the word work is a relative term depending on what you currently do and what you will be doing in the future as you build out your $100 a day system and you learn exactly what I'm talking about and how to use these tactics and techniques of Google search and creating content to be found in Google search. Again, getting paid to use Google and the information that Google gives you, and also understanding what people are searching for. And that's what this data is about here. How to be eligible for a stimulus check, how to be more attractive, how to help others, how to pronounce, how to style. And now that takes us over to an article from Search Engine Journal. Data on the top trending searches is published every year, which is interesting on its own, but you may find yourself asking, what can I do with this information? Think about that. Search Engine Journal using a question. What can I do with the information that I've just showed you that Google has given us for search trends in 2021? At first glance, the data doesn't have much to offer beyond satisfying general curiosity around what people are searching for in Google. Again, you can see the top list here of the top 10 trending searches in 2021 that we just covered. Search Engine Journal continues on here, and this is really what this video is about. It's really about thinking about what Google is telling us and how we can use that information to create our own content using these terms that Google has given us, and using the free SEO tool that I'm talking about in this video that I'm going to show you shortly, as well as the training. But there's arguably not much you can do with that as a search marketer or content publisher. Talking about those broad searches or topics, they're all huge topics, and the chance of ranking for any of them are slim at this point. But if you dig deeper, however, you'll find the long tail keywords. This is very important. Long tail keywords, where people were searching for and what they're searching for during this year and the upcoming years. You'll find the questions people were asking, the things that searchers genuinely needed help with, and therein lies your opportunity to make money using Google search. Let's go over some of those, and perhaps you'll find a few ideas for your next piece of content. And Google's top trending long tail keywords of 2021, those top how-to searches that are answering people's questions, and this is the cornerstone of content publishing. So we'll start off with some inspiration for your next how-to article. This is giving you the secret right here, how to help others, how to help Afghan refugees, how to help Texas, how to help India COVID. The important phrase here is how to. Simply head over to Google, how to understand the Bible, football, stocks, football plays, betting odds, the stock market, Morse code, tire sizes. Now, this is where I'm going to show you the free tool, the free SEO tool, the free keyword research tool, as well as the training for the tool inside of the community that I use to build my $100 a day system. Link in the description to check that out. It will take you over to this community, and inside of this community, what you have is the SEO toolkit. Simply click to launch the SEO toolkit. There'll be a video here that shows you exactly what you need to do to open up your SEO toolkit, as well as some SEO toolkit tutorials. Go back to our Google search, how to understand. Let's focus on how to understand tire sizes. Take that into the keyword research tool. Again, the free keyword research tool that is part of the free SEO toolkit, how to understand tire sizes, global searches in English. Here is where we are using the tool to simply give us all the data, all the information at a glance versus the simple searches that you just put into the Google search bar. And as it gives you suggestions and you look at the articles, in this case, the tool is breaking it down for us with the global KEI, the global monthly searches, as well as the search trends. Of course, at any point inside the keyword research tool, you simply click this icon to get help with this report. And here's where the training starts. Of course, there's additional training inside of Taking Action Online. But the idea for this tool, can I find out which keywords make my site appear in Google search? Yes, it talks about how to check the information and how to understand the reports. Next question, how can I benefit from connecting Google Search Console, which is the information it gave you above that, and it tells you exactly how to use these keywords inside of the Search Console report to help you find keywords that bring traffic to your site. Again, back in the keyword suggestion tool, at any time you're looking here and you're really thinking, what are people trying to understand? How do you understand tire sizes? Keep going down, how to know what tire sizes you have. How do you know what size tire your car has? Now we're looking at specifics for tires for cars. Keep scrolling down, how to know what size tire for bike, how to know what size tire for bike rim. Now what we've done inside of this free keyword toolkit is we've expanded the searches that we're seeing inside of Google. The information that Google gave us, again, in that trends report for 2021, Search Engine Journal broke it down to us from the top trending searches. And then we went into the how to. And then when we went to Google, we found inside of what we can now use or call our niche or our topic that we're creating our $100 a day system around, which is simply creating helpful information for people that have questions. In this example, the keyword research tool has taken us down into tire sizes for cars, and also tire sizes for bikes. Of course, that could be motorcycles and or bicycles or even ATVs. And when you go back to the keyword research tool, how to measure motorcycle tire sizes, how to interpret motorcycle tire sizes, click again to find related keywords. This allows you to get more suggestions inside of the keyword research tool. How to interpret motorcycle tire sizes, simply scroll down through here, and now you are focused on motorcycle tire sizes, as well as what do motorcycle tire size numbers mean. And at this point, you have drilled down using the keyword research tool based upon the trending topics from Google, the how-to topics, the topics that people are looking for in Google. Google has given you this information. Now I'm giving you the free SEO tool and the keyword research tool, as well as the training to really dig down and to really be able to see what people are searching for. And now all that's left for you to do is to create that content, build out your $100 a day system, and you're on your way to making $100 a day easily, simply by taking the information that Google is giving you freely and then using the keyword research tool that's free inside of the training, as well as the rest of the features inside of the SEO toolkit. Link in the description. Check that out and start making money with Google search today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer. click that timer, subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content like the video you see on the screen right now, click that one and watch it. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll talk to you later.